Hello children, welcome back to our GK class. So children, in the last class we have discussed the lesson number 1, famous cities. Famous cities, okay. And we learned 5 famous cities in India. Do you remember the name of the cities? I will tell. Jaipur, Chennai, Amritsar, Srinagar and Shillong. Okay. So in this class we are going to learn 5 more famous cities in India. Okay. So all of you take your textbook, page number 256. To guess the names of the cities using the. So children, here given some pictures for us to help. So I will read first, then let's write. Okay. So A, city of gods. City of gods. So children, do you know the city of gods? Write the answer Varanasi. City of gods is Varanasi. So write the answer on the given space with the help of the help box. Okay. So children, Varanasi is situated in the state Uttar Pradesh, India. Okay. Varanasi is situated in the state Uttar Pradesh, India. And children, Varanasi is the spiritual capital of India. Okay. Varanasi is the spiritual capital of India and it is believed to be the most ancient surviving city. Okay. And children, the other name of Varanasi is Kashi. Have you heard Kashi? Okay. So, the other name of Varanasi is Kashi or City of Lights. Okay. Kashi or City of Lights. So, children, this is all about Varanasi. Now, the next one, B. Let's read. B. Coal capital. Coal capital. So the answer is Dhanbad. Okay. Dhanbad. So children, Dhanbad is the city which is situated in the state Jharkhand. Okay. It is situated in Jharkhand, India. And children, this city is renowned for its coal industry and factories. Okay. This city is renowned for its coal industry and factories. Okay. And children, it is one of the most successful commercial area across India. Okay. It is one of the most successful commercial area across India. Okay. So children, the next C, Grape City. Grape City. The grape city is Nasik. Okay. The grape city is Nasik. So write Nasik on the given space. Okay. So children, Nasik is situated in the bank of the river Godavari at Maharashtra. Okay. Nasik is situated in the bank of the river Godavari at Maharashtra. Okay. It is an ancient holy city in Maharashtra. Okay. Nasik is an ancient holy city in Maharashtra. Okay. And Nasik is well known for being one of the Hindu pilgrimage sites of the Kumbh Mela, which held in every 12 years. Okay. It is one of the Hindu pilgrimage sites of the Kumbh Mela. Okay. So children, now the next one, D. So let's read. D. Manchester of India. Manchester of India. So children, the answer is Ahmedabad. Okay. Manchester of India is Ahmedabad. So write it on the given space. Okay. So children, Ahmedabad is one of the largest cities of India. Okay. Ahmedabad is one of the largest cities of India, and it is the former capital of Gujarat. Okay, it is the former capital of Gujarat. And children, it is the second largest producer of cotton in India. Okay, it is the second largest producer of cotton in India. And children, Ahmedabad is also famous for tourism. Okay, so the next E, the last one, City of Orange. City of Orange. So the answer is Nagpur. Right? Nagpur. Okay. Okay. So children, Nagpur is the largest cities of India. Okay. Nagpur is the largest cities of India, and it is the winter capital of the state Maharashtra. Okay. Nagpur is the winter capital of the state Maharashtra. And children, Nagpur is also called the tiger capital of India. Okay. Nagpur is also called the tiger capital of India. Do you know why? Because it connects many tiger reserves in India to the world. Okay. It connects many tiger reserves in India to the world. Okay. So children, this lesson is over here, and I will read the answers once more. Okay. A. City of Ghats, Varanasi. B. Coal capital, Dhanbad. C. Grape city, Nasik. D. Manchester of India, Ahmedabad. E. City of Orange, Nagpur. Okay, so I will read all the answers once more. Okay, identify the cities from the clues. A. This city is called the Pink City, Jaipur. B. Marina Beach is one of its tourist spot, Chennai. The city is famous for the Golden Temple, Amritsar. D. Shalimar and Nishad Gardens are located in this city, Srinagar. E. This city is often described as the Scotland of the East. It is Shillong. A. City of Ghats, Varanasi. B. Coal capital, Dhanbad. C. Grape city, Nasik. D. Manchester of India, Ahmedabad. E. City of Orange, Nagpur. Okay. So children, this lesson over here. And your homework is find famous cities of India. Okay, and send your WhatsApp. Okay, so children, thank you.